Early start to the day, and here we are arriving at Toyota's manufacturing plant, Prospecton in Durban, and lined up are many generations of the Hilux, the previous ones, because we're here for the line of ceremony for the new generation Hilux. You've seen the vehicle, you've seen what it's like, but check all the previous generations, and as I walk inside you'll see more of them. All the generations, I think they've all been built over here as well, which is an important factor. We're going to hear for the line of ceremony, they call it, of the new generation. So it's a big event today going on. Going to be some VIPs over here. You see, they're even treating us like VIPs, walking up a red carpet. Okay, here you go. 8th generation over here. I think that's quite a special one over there. And 7th generation over there. I think you get the picture.
The delegation that's here, the Premier, the Executive Mayor, the MEC, leadership of Toyota, Andrew and the team. It's been a great experience. Of course, I'm sure you're expecting to see the President, but then we're stuck with me because the President had to take back. But it's an honor and privilege for me to address you. It's been a great experience to see the work that's done at Toyota. We visited parts of the plant. We were able to see the work that's been done by the teams.
Of our new chassis frame welding and coating facility. It's a landmark investment project that brings to our site the most advanced technology when it comes to chassis frame production. My name is Neville Naidu, and I recognize as the highest standard in terms of chassis frame production in global Toyota. And
the plant by supplying assembly parts for Corolla, Fortuna, and also our Hilux range. And then it also supports the industrialization of Ghana and Kenya through the packing of our knockdown vehicles. So we receive about 34 containers a day, just under 8,000 a year from 13 exporters globally. Then those containers, of course, come to our Durban port, which is about 25 kilometers away from us.
You see, this is the bead, welding bead that is not cleaned. And if you look on the green side going that way, you can see a nice shiny finish. And that is the quality we need when we ship our chassis into coating line. Thank you.
This was more like a rugged workhorse vehicle, and in the 1968 it then progressed. Right now we're sitting on the 8th generation. What we're introducing today is the 9th generation, and through the progression we've managed to keep to our.
It comes as a body shell like that. What we do, we remove the doors. The purpose of removing the doors, we want to create a very good exposure for the vehicle so the members can go inside and start building the vehicle. During that time, we also improve safety for our people so that they can be able to have a good accessibility on the vehicle for ergonomics. So now at Smoking, we've got the same thing. We have a body shell that is coming from a paint shop. From here, we start doing the inside trim. Therefore, we are now fitting harness, doing the floor, carpets. Then we are preparing the vehicle now for customer. You'll see it's a body shell this side. This morning, you actually went to TLC as well as a ED frame. You have seen the
opportunity to take a step to a new level. In our industry, opportunities to fundamentally transform manufacturing operations don't come around that often. They come when a new generation of vehicle is entrusted to a plant. Every model change is therefore much more than a product updates. It's an opportunity to renew our technology, deepen the skills of our people, expand localization, strengthen our supply base, and lift the competitiveness of our entire operation. And that's what the 9th generation Hilux represents. It's not simply a new Hilux. It's a new chapter in South African manufacturing. For the past 56 years, more than 2.9 million Hilux vehicles have been manufactured right here in Prospecton. From this plant, our vehicles reached customers in 74 markets, including South Africa, the rest of Africa, and Europe. And as South Africans, we can safely say that Prospecton is the home of Hilux. And it goes without saying, it's not a bakkie, it's a Hilux. Hilux has become far more than a vehicle. It's an industrial ecosystem. And before we dive deeper into what the 9th generation Hilux will achieve, it's worth reflecting on what the current generation has already built. Prior to the 9th generation Hilux, we supported 103 OE and raw material suppliers, generating an annual supplier spend of more than 15 billion rand per year, sustaining almost 26,000 jobs across our supply network, and was built every day by more than 4,300 Toyota team members here at Prospecton. Downstream, Hilux plays a crucial role in sustaining our 203 dealers and numerous accessories and conversion suppliers. These numbers demonstrate that Hilux has become far more than a vehicle. It's become woven into South Africa's industrial, economic, and social fabric, supporting livelihoods, strengthening local manufacturing, and contributing meaningfully to our economy. And that's why Hilux is not just Toyota's success, it's a South African success story. Its great achievement, however, cannot be measured by production numbers alone. Across farms, construction sites, mines, municipalities, conservation parks, small businesses, and family homes, Hilux has become part of everyday life. To every South Africa, Hilux means something different. For an entrepreneur, potentially his first business asset. For a farmer, a trusted partner. For emergency services, reliability where it matters most. For families, it creates memories. And for our dealers, it represents relationships built over decades. For our supplier, it provides the confidence to invest, innovate, and create jobs. And for our employees, it's the pride of building a world-class product that carries the words made in South Africa. For government, Hilux represents something even greater. It demonstrates what industrialization can achieve when government, industry, and labor work together for a shared purpose. Page White today is not simply about launching a new vehicle. It's about the thousands of South Africans whose skill, dedication, and commitment are built into every vehicle. Behind every vehicle stands more than 100 local suppliers, together with the employees, engineers, technicians, logistics partners, and small businesses. When Toyota invests, an entire manufacturing ecosystem grows. We've committed 10.4 billion rand to this project, making it the single largest product investment in the history of Toyota South African Motors. At a time when both the global and the South African automotive industries are undergoing profound change, this investment reflects Toyota Motor Corporation's confidence in South Africa, our people, and our manufacturing future. The investment includes 3.2 billion in three major facility investments and associated phases. The first is our new logistics center, a state-of-the-art 29,300 square meter facility, representing an investment of 1 billion rand, and now fully installed and operational. The second is our new chassis frame coating facility, now fully installed and operational. This investment introduces Toyota's latest eco-deposition technology and best in global Toyota, strengthening chassis quality, durability, and corrosion protection. This has elevated our new frame coating facility to being the most advanced of any Toyota facility globally. The third is our new chassis frame welding facility, which is currently under construction and will be completed in June of 2027, and introduces Toyota's latest frame welding technologies to our operations as well. Beyond these new manufacturing facilities, we've invested a further 7.2 billion in production preparation for the 9th generation Hilux, including advanced manufacturing technologies, production equipment, and supplier tooling. This comprises 3.8 billion invested directly into our operations and 3.4 billion invested across our South African supply network. In addition to Toyota's 10.4 billion investment, our supply partners have invested a further 2 billion in their own facilities, tooling and capacities to support this year. I'm pleased to say that more than 77% of our total 10.4 billion investment has already been completed, with the remaining investment scheduled for completion in June of 2027. This investment is now visible across all our operations, as you would have seen this morning. We had more than 3,100 contractors from 79 companies helping bring these facilities to life. Over the past 36 months, thousands of people have worked together to transform our vision into reality. At the peak of construction, there were almost 10,000 people working on our Prospecton site on a single day. So team members, contractors, engineers, technicians, and construction specialists all working safely side by side to prepare for the next generation of Hilux. Every new generation of Hilux creates an opportunity to expand South Africa's industrial capability. The program has added 4 new local suppliers, increased our annual component spend by over 15% to 17.5 billion per year, added 210 new locally sourced parts, and created more than 1,040 new jobs across our supply chain, and improving our true local content by 3%. It's another reminder that when we invest, the benefits extend far beyond the vehicles we build.